After days of emotional testimony from Carla Pearman's friends and family, the prosecution rested their case today in the Jacob Pearman murder trial. He's charged with the murder of his wife, Carla, at their Murfreesboro home on Valentine's Day, 2013. He's also accused of kicking and choking Carla Pearman's son on December 14, 2012. Tracy Cornett has more on this final day of witness testimony.
Well, Pearman is being tried on those charges, Tom, and the first-degree murder charge at the same time. Prosecutors contend that Jacob Pearman was upset about whether Carla would testify on his behalf in a hearing pertaining to the child abuse charges, a hearing scheduled for February 14th, the day Carla was found dead inside the couple's home. Today, Carla's friends described the couple's relationship, potentially damaging testimony, some of which jurors did not get to hear.
Yes, I messaged her at 9 o'clock to see if she was okay.
Did you ever get an answer?
No.
An emotional day on the witness stand for Megan Porter, talking about the last time she tried to contact her friend, Carla Pearman. Porter explained how Carla told her Jacob Pearman had bought a gun 2 months before the murder and threatened to kill her for not testifying in his favor.
Do not wait until the night before of my court hearing and tell me that you're not going to go with me to testify or I will kill you.
The jury was asked to leave the courtroom while Porter spoke about that last conversation with Carla. The defense argued those statements should not be admitted as evidence because it was a second-hand account. The judge agreed. Other friends testified that Carla feared for her life and wanted a divorce, whatever it took to keep her son.
I knew exactly what she was going to do.
And what did she tell you she was going to do?
She told me she packed his stuff up. She grabbed the garage remote from his vehicle at the Mac. She told me she had to do it tonight, or on that day. She had to do it.
And had to do what?
Get him out of the house.
And what was significant about that day?
I believe the next day or so was the court date.
The jury also heard the taped confession from Jacob Pearman. He can be heard admitting to hitting his wife, then choking her to death. In addition to witness testimony, prosecutors brought in law enforcement personnel who described Jacob Pearman after his arrest and presented evidence, including a pair of gym shorts with bloodstains matching Carla Pearman's DNA. Her DNA was also found on a garbage bag, and a mixture of DNA from Jacob Pearman and Carla Pearman was found underneath her fingernails, which prosecutors argue indicate a struggle. Now, Jacob Pearman's lawyers filed a motion to have the first-degree murder charge reduced. It was denied. Tomorrow, yes, Saturday morning, the prosecution is expected to begin presenting their case in a full session of court. Tom?
Tracy, thanks.